Good morning from part of my garden in the woods in Arkansas. This morning I'd like to show you some trellising, and I'd like to ask you a question. Why are you gardening? That is a question to consider when you start a garden. And some people garden for the production, the produce. Some people garden for the enjoyment of gardening. And some people garden for a combination of both of those two, and I'm one of those. I like to enjoy gardening. I mean, if you're gardening and not liking what you're doing, then why bother gardening? Anyway, it's a question to consider. This is a lemon cucumber vine, and here you can see I've got it on a chair, and it starts in one of these grow pots. Now this is a 20-gallon grow pot. You can see it's a brown color, and I've actually started 3 seedlings in there. I wouldn't recommend 3 seedlings in it, even though it's a 20-gallon. Well, you could try it. I've tried it this year, and I'm just showing you my results. And these are my results so far. It climbs up. You can see the basketball goal and backboard there that I'm using as a trellis as well. And you can see it kind of comes around here. Don't have a lot of fruit on this particular cucumber plant. There's one of the lemon cucumbers. And I should show you too here that there's a vent up there. Right now it's off, but when it's on, I have to water quite a bit during the day. So anyway, it's just an idea you might think of trying. And then, of course, I've also got a ladder that's where I've placed 4 10-gallon grow pots. And the ladder is used. It's an old ladder that I took apart. It's used more or less just kind of stabilize some of the bamboo. You can see some bamboo here that's tied. Did I tie it here? No, but I've tied it in other places too. But you can see that I've got a plastic tie here, a zip tie that connects the chair with the bamboo. And then of course you can see the results of my work. This is the Better Boy 21, and you can see this plant has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Maybe I'll count these over again. 32, 33, 34. I don't know. I may have gone over these again, but it's got at least 30 tomatoes on it, and probably even closer to 40. Anyway, this was part of my thumbnail yesterday, that particular tomato. And it's a Better Boy 2022 tomato. And then you can see that I've used twine. Actually, this is like a plastic string to tie up to my bamboo, and that helps to hold my plants up. And again, here's the bamboo, and it's connected way up there so that I can allow my plants to grow as far as I'd like to grow. They can grow as high as they want to go. I kind of like to stop them where I can't reach them any longer. And there's some squash. There are some pumpkins. And again, another plant, another tomato plant with some more tomatoes on it. Well, I hope you have a wonderful day today. It's August the 1st. It's pretty cool right now here this morning in Arkansas, but it's going to get warmer. Anyway, I'm just thankful for another day, and I hope you have a good day as well. God's blessings. Hope you join me again.